How to fix MonopolyGO Won't Load. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem if your MonopolyGO won't load. So if you have that problem, make sure you stay till the end of this video and follow along all the steps to fix that problem. So for this example, we are not going to open up our application. You actually need to go to settings, scroll down a little bit and click on general. Now go into iPhone storage in the middle of the screen. Give it a couple of seconds to load. Okay, and now you just scroll down and you find Monopoly Go. Click on that, and the only thing you need to do is click offload app and click offload app again. So what that will do is clear your cache memory that's using Monopoly Go, and hopefully fix your problem. But if that won't work, you can always completely delete your application and download it once again from the App Store. So basically that must fix your problem. So basically that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.